Hello everyone, and welcome back to Arts and Craft Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw this colorful and cute unicorn. Grab some markers and paper, and let's get started. We will start off by choosing where to place our unicorn in the page. The first thing I'm going to draw is the muzzle. To draw your muzzle, draw an oblique line going from right to left, downwards, just like this. Now closing the line, adding a C shape, just like this one, and close the line in until it touches our first line, exactly like this. Moving on, we are going to draw the jaws. Draw a small line starting from the mouth. Stop it right there and add on top of it a curved small line. That will be our jaw. Moving down to the neck. We are going to be drawing the first line of our neck on the left side. Going down just like this. Now we'll be drawing a curved line going from left to right. Just like this. And now start drawing a little line from the right side going up. Don't go all the way up, stop right there. You'll see why. Great! Now that you're here, we can start drawing our unicorn's mane. You can proceed by drawing small sections of hair and give it a curly look or a straight look, whatever you prefer. I've decided to go for a wavy look. Make sure you take your time with these guys. Don't worry, there is no rush. Proceed in small sections, covering all the way up from the neck till the top of the head. Just like this. Once you've reached the top, you can start drawing your unicorn's ear. To draw the ear, you can use a reversed V shape. Just like this. Great! Now, to finish off our mane, we can add a fringe. Just above the unicorn's forehead. Right here. Now it's time to draw the most important part. The unicorn's horn. We'll be placing our horn on top of the unicorn's forehead, starting drawing a line going up and back down. Make sure it's nice and pointy. I've decided to draw a cute heart shape next to our unicorn, but you guys can choose any shape you prefer. Oh dear, let's not forget the eye. I think I would like to give my unicorn a sleepy and cute look, so I will be drawing my eye closed. Just like this. A tiny little line with some nice lashes. Let's add a little nostril so our unicorn can breathe. A few extra touches, like some lines going over the horn. And that's really it. We can now start coloring in our unicorn. I will be using the following colors, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. Use your imagination. For the horn, I've decided to go for a rainbow combination, using red, yellow, a bit of green, and orange. I'll use pink for the muzzle, and the fringe. And I'll be using different shades of pink, purple, yellow and blue for the mane. You can really have fun with it, guys. I love all these colors together. Last but not least, we can now color in the heart. For this, I'm choosing orange. And that's it! We have now drawn our cute and colorful unicorn. Well done everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and remember as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show photos of all your amazing arts and crafts you have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Darren. Wow, is that a real shoe? I definitely need to get myself a pair of those. Lovely work and lovely colouring. Well done, Darren. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. And that's all we have time for today. See you soon!